Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
This is a harmonious beat.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. The Demiurge. Is the Demiurge fucking with you? The Demiurge is an energy that tries to keep you locked down to this human status. The Demiurge is your ego and is that part of you that wants you to conform to normalcy, playing it safe. This energy is trying to fuck with you and play with your mind. Majority of the time it is all in our mind. Mad at someone that doesn't even know or care that they made you feel some type of way. Second guessing yourself and your ritual that you did. Did I do that right? Did I do that right type energy? Feeling guilty for saying no to somebody that invited you out.
Nope.
Meditating on a point and the worries of the day come into your meditation. This Demiurge energy is always trying to find a way in and creeps in at the moment you're not expecting. And when it does creep in, it can power up and really let the emotions take control, as it will send you more problems while you're in your feelings. Now, I get it. Things happen and sometimes you just got to be on one. But let that happening pass by and get back into your right state of mind. Your chaos state of mind. A good way to observing the Demiurge is stepping outside of yourself when a problem arises and looking at the problem with no bias.
Quad!
Act like it's not you with the problem. I know, that shit could be hard. But if you take a few minutes to yourself and sit there and actually observe ego, you can literally gain light from the situation. Trust me, many of the times I got on one and wanted to let the feelings ride. But when I observed my ego and looked at myself wholeheartedly, I was always coming to an understanding. What does it matter me proving a point to a zombie? Why do I care if the toilet seat is up or down? When do I have time to worry about who ate all my jalapeno and garlic chips? No, wait. I'm lying about that last one. I'm going to be on one for real. But the point is, pick your battles wisely. Because a lot of times it might just be this Demiurge energy trying to steal your sunshine. One thing I do learn from all these fasts is that I can actually see where my addiction eating is coming from. Me fasting and having to deal with that emotion head on turns my melanin up a notch, and I'm able to punch the situation in the face. The majority of the time, the situation ain't that deep. It's not even that big. It be all in our mind. We must learn to be the ultimate observer, seeing things and humans as they are and as they come. Not judging them or getting in our emotions about how they move. Everybody has a truth. And the best thing you can do is just live in your truth.
Message!
Having compassion and understanding for others is the best practices I know that will take the Demiurge out your way. Don't let these vampires keep coming with their bullshit though. Tell them to move along if they're trying to drain your energy. I'm not going to preach or prove my message to dead ears. Some people might not like the message I'm speaking. Okay, nice. That doesn't have nothing to do with me. But if I was letting that demiurge get to me, whenever someone leaves an antagonist comment, I'll be proving what exactly? It's a waste of energy, and my time is valuable. For instance, there was this Caucasian man that sent me an email about my American Gods video and how it is irresponsible for me to talk about how it is a black chaos being story. Side note, check out my Patreon. All the American Gods are coded on there. Shadow Moon, Shadow Self, True Self, Two People, One Soul, Energy Streams. Get it in. Patreon.com. Love, live, life. But I just calmly deleted that garbage with not another thought of it. Because I knew that was a demiurge trying to attack my artistic mind and my truth on how I see things. Fellas, you ever notice how sometimes you're feeling great and you're living your best life? Woke up on the right side of the bed. You want to do something special for your queen before she wakes up. You make her a lovely breakfast. Get the kids all cleaned up. Take out the garbage. Make sure the whole house is nice and clean. Write a lovely message on Facebook to your goddess so the world can see. Ooh, I'm talking about you do it all. And she wakes up and bees on one. Mood swing got her jacked up. So it instantly turns your whole vibration into Liu Kang attack mode. You try to have compassion, but she giving you that, hey, you better get this cold ass breakfast out of my face. This is the time for you to go and meditate. Go observe your ego. Or World War VI is about to happen, and just let her live in her emotions. Probably caught your ass doing something in the astral realm and you didn't think she was watching, looking ass. We can get a lot more accomplished if we step outside of ourselves, get out of our own way, and rid ourselves of these human emotions and ego attacks that try to fuck up our whole day. Step into your power by observing your ego and observe everything around you with compassion, love, and their understanding. Dream wise.